Hi Jeff, this is Matt. I'm going to walk you briefly through the problem that I'm hoping you'll be able to help me address. What we had is we had a problem where the discussion boards were not synced up to the grade book. So we're going to go through and see if we can find the courses where that's the case and then try to fix it. So what you want to do is you start out here, you go select a course, and I'm going to give you a spreadsheet of all the courses, and you just type it in here. I'm going to start with BUS 560 because that's where I'm up to. See, I find the course here, and you want to go with the one with the actual title rather than the one called Master. And we're on the page, we're going to try to see whether or not the gradebook and the discussions are aligned. So I'm going to right click and open in a new tab the discussions, right click and open in a new tab grades. And I'm going to start with the grade page here. You see it's on the enter grades field. You want to switch to the manage grades field. And what we have here is we have a list of all the grades, graded assignments in this course. Here, you see discussion forum, and you see, unlike many of the other places, this column here is just a dash. What it would be in an ideal world is it would say assignments or discussions, and it would have this question mark in here, which tells us it's aligned with the gradebook. So we say, okay, these are not aligned with the gradebook. We want to fix that. It also says it's worth 25 points. I'm going to double check that just to be sure. So I'm going to look under course information. Again, I'm back on the home page here. And the syllabus isn't there. So this is here under resources. And I scroll down till I get to assignment overview. It's usually around page 7 or 8, 6 or 7 in a course, but neither here nor there. Discussion forums, there are 8 of them, they're 25 points each, so that's good. What I want to do now is I want to go and I want to make sure that the discussion boards can be linked to the gradebook. So I go to my discussions tab, and you'll notice what I have here is I have the week 1 discussion forum, week 2 all the way down. To link it to the gradebook, click the down arrow, click edit topic. And this first page we see here is this properties page. We want to go over to the assessment tab. Under the assessment tab, I see scored out of 25. That's great. However, it's not linked to the gradebook yet. So I find rating grade for week 1 discussion forum, because that's where I am. I click on it, you see it's filled in that there. And save and close. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do week 2 just so you can see how I do that again. I jumped right past it. So down arrow, edit topic, assessment. See, it's worth 25 points, which is what we want. Rating grade for week 2 discussion, save and close. Do that through the entire list and you should be good. I'm going to update this now. And if this works, you see that these two now have that filled in discussions and the question mark, so we know that it's done. I'm going to send you a spreadsheet with the courses that we want to look at. Start doing it by 10, so start at the bottom of the list and do the bottom one and then 10 before and see. Some of these have been fixed already. Some of them have not, and that's probably the best way to find them. Thanks.